Philips trimmers can experience battery and charging problems. Here are the most common issues and their solutions. First, always use the original charger or a compatible Philips charger. For USB models, ensure the voltage is correct, typically 5 volts and 1 amp. Verify your power outlet is working by testing it with another device. A faulty outlet is often overlooked, but can prevent charging. For models with charging stands, ensure the trimmer is correctly placed and the stand is properly connected to power. Inspect charging cables for damage like fraying or bending. Damaged cables are a common cause of charging failures. Waterproof trimmers may only function when unplugged for safety reasons. This is normal behavior, not a malfunction. For disposable battery models, replace with the correct type and check polarity. Battery life varies based on hair thickness and length being trimmed. Remember to always ensure full charging before use, as charging and running times vary by model. These steps resolve most battery and charging issues. Proper blade maintenance is essential for optimal trimmer performance. Regular cleaning prevents hair buildup and ensures smooth operation. There are 2 main cleaning methods. Some trimmers and attachments are washable underwater, while others require dry cleaning with a brush. Check your model's specifications. Important warning: avoid using soap or detergents on washable parts. These chemicals can remove the protective grease that keeps your trimmer running smoothly. Regular oiling is crucial for blade maintenance. Oil the blades every 6 weeks to ensure smooth operation and prevent overheating. Sewing machine oil works perfectly for this purpose. Proper assembly is critical for safe operation. Ensure the cutting element and trimming comb are correctly attached. Improper assembly can cause strange noises and poor performance. Common blade issues include debris buildup affecting performance, blade wear over time, and the need for occasional oiling. Regular maintenance prevents most problems and extends your trimmer's lifespan. Remember these key maintenance steps: clean regularly, oil every 6 weeks, ensure proper assembly, and address issues promptly. Following these simple steps will keep your Philips trimmer performing at its best.